In the next 48 hours, everything changes for crypto. You can already start to see the effects of what is about to come actually happening, guys. Today, I need to talk you through what is actually going to happen. I will tell you what I think the market is going to do and everything you need to know if you are at all invested in the crypto space today, guys. So this is an important video. Make sure to watch it from the beginning until the end. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So guys, let us jump straight into the charts. Actually, before we talk about Bitcoin and altcoins and what I see happening, let us quickly just look on the daily time frame here and look at how the market is green today. So we have not been seeing a lot of green days the last 2 weeks. So it is amazing to see that today is green, and let us see if this can continue towards the upside. So more on that later on in this video. So right now we are for Bitcoin at $92,500, and we are now approaching and we are about to potentially hit my big resistance level at $95,000. As you know, guys, I became cautious, bearish on the shorter time frames when we broke this level, and then I became bullish when we hit my orange line down here, and then I became bearish on the shorter time frames when we hit my resistance level down here. And then once we came back down here, once again I was screaming out of the top of my lungs here that I do not think that we are going to close below $81,000. I became bullish here again, and now we are seeing a pump towards the upside. So now, of course, I am once again going to become, on the shorter time frames, a bit cautious here at $95,000. And I can see that a lot of you guys have actually been trading that way. So you were shorting here and you were buying down here, closing the shorts and buying here, closing the long positions here, shorting again, and then going down, closing the shorts, and then adding a massive long position. And potentially, let us see what the audience is going to do here. But yeah, I continue to remain like very bullish. If we come down to $81,000, I am extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and on the midterm, long term, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. You already know about this. Now I'm solely talking about a shorter time frame, some short-term trading opportunities. And why did I not on the channel add a short here and add a big long position here and sell here and buy here live on the channel? The reason why is because that is exactly what my trading strategies are doing anyway. So they are exactly doing that, buying on the way down, taking profit on the way up. So that is completely fine for me. But congratulations to everyone who have been doing this trade right here, getting into long positions here and then closing those long positions right here at $95,000. But remember one thing, and that is that still I am midterm and long-term bullish, so it is only a matter of time until we break through the big resistance here. Yes, the orange line at $95,000 is very, very strong, but it is only a matter of time until we break away from this. So instead of having a pullback like this, we could see us break above this point, and then the next level is going to be at $100,000. That is why I am leaning bullish still on every single time frame right here. But yes, on the shorter time frames, you need to be a little bit cautious here with the resistance right at $95,000. But if we can manage to break through it, which, like I said, is only a matter of time, then I believe that we are going to have some very nice pumps towards the upside. So that is what I see right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. But we do have some incredible stuff happening in the next 48 hours, guys. So I need to share that with you. But for the long term, for Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame, I still think that we are well on our way to reach at some point in 2026 $152,000 as a peak, 180 up until 280. So that is what I think is going to be the peak in 2026. So we still have some more time left until we are going to get into that. Now for altcoins, I just showed you that the altcoin market is looking really good here, having a green day. But if you look more closely, you can see that Ethereum has broken away from the resistance right here. So Ethereum is like leading the altcoin pumps towards the upside now. Next level of resistance, $2,400. But it is good to see that we broke through the resistance right here, which we were struggling with for a little while. Now, if you look at Solana is right now lagging behind a little bit. It is trying to break through my orange line at $150 here. If we can see that, then next level of resistance, 158 and 169. So Solana, while Ethereum has already broken the resistance right here, Solana is lagging a little bit, but I think also only a matter of time until we break through this. For Doge, you can also see same thing here. Doge is right now at resistance. If we can clear this resistance and have a pump towards the upside, that would be very, very nice. I think that it is gonna drag also the rest of the meme coin market with it. That's amazing. Same thing here, guys, for Cardano. Cardano trying to break through my resistance at 98 cents, having a little bit of a rejection here. But look at this, guys. The body of the candle right at the resistance at 98, but the wick here going all the way up to $1.02. So this is absolutely amazing, guys. And you can see that we are on many of these altcoins right at resistance. And if we can just break and clear those resistance levels, then the entire crypto market is going to have another pop towards the upside. So if you look at XRP, XRP is together with Ethereum actually already above some key resistance levels right here. So you can see that we didn't even go below this big support here. So we got supported off of my orange line, and now we are seeing some more upside for XRP. So looking good for XRP, I would say looking very good for the market in general here. If we can just clear these support levels, clear these resistance levels, things are looking really, really good. Now, if you look at the total chart, you can see that for the total chart, we are already breaking through the resistance here on the daily time frame. Let us see if this can continue towards the upside. Next level of resistance for the total chart is $3.09 trillion essentially. And for the others chart, you can also see that we are having a big bounce off of my support level at $235 billion. So you know that I was very skeptical down here. I was saying that we do not want any daily candle to open and close below this point. We do not want to see consolidation below this orange line. That signals more downside, and the bulls stepped in, the bulls pumped the smaller altcoin market up, and yes, I remain with the stance that this is such a good buying opportunity for smaller altcoins, guys. So we're seeing this big bounce, so that is good, and we're still pretty close to it. So I even think that right now is not a super bad opportunity to get into smaller altcoins. And for Ethereum, we are already above the resistance here. For Bitcoin, it's looking good also. We met some resistance here at the yellow dotted line as expected, but it was really nothing compared to the big pump that we're seeing right now. So let us see if this can continue towards the upside. Next level, we are slowly but surely approaching $95,000, guys. So things are looking pretty good. And I remain bullish on every single time frame, as you know, guys. But if we come up to $95,000, then on the very short time frames, there is some cause to be a little bit neutral right here because yeah, it is a big resistance level, but it's only a matter of time until we clear it anyway. So I'm not worried. My trading strategies are still doing an amazing job of capturing that volatility and making more profit as we continue. Also, by the way, nice bounce of the traditional markets here. So let us now talk about my trading strategies, and things are changing very quickly here because the positions are pretty big. Right now, we are down $55,000 on the trading strategies for this current batch of strategies. Of course, overall, I am up a lot because I made 1 million publicly a few months ago with these trading strategies. So overall, I'm up, but for this current batch, minus $55,000. Now, if you look at the individual bots, you can see that my first Bitcoin strategy has started to trade again because it is above $88,000. So for everyone using the 100x challenge, the old one, then your trading strategy is also already starting to trade. So that is amazing. Once we go up to 95 and over $100,000, these ones are going to be at such an amazing profit. If you look at the first Ethereum strategy, it's still below the trading range, but minus $200,000 here. Solana is minus 132, also getting very close to starting to trade again, needs to cross 151 here on this particular one. For Doge, it is at minus 92. For the XRP strategy, up $35,000, amazing. For Cardano, up $81,000, amazing. Second Ethereum bot, minus 13. Second Bitcoin bot is up $34,000. And then the second Solana bot is up $26,000. The new 100x challenge is up $2,500, 25%. And yes, I am still working on replicating the old strategy as well. But for now, the old strategy is still trading. So within the next few days, I will have that one running as well. I'm just trying to replicate it as good as I can. Also, in general, there's going to be a big update to the trading strategies coming very, very soon, guys. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So right now, there's a lot of things happening in the market that is absolutely amazing, and there's a lot of good opportunities for trades here. Now, apart from the trading strategies, which by the way, guys, if you want to use them, go down to the description of this video, sign up using this link right here. Get the bonuses using this link right here, and then Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, and XRP, all of these links right here if you want to go long with my trading strategies. Any other altcoin, you have the link right here. Also, I want to make a push for LBank, so massive bonus campaign now for LBank, which is one of the exchanges that I am working with. So insane bonuses for a limited time, guys. So what you get right now is just for signing up and doing KYC, you get 30 USDT cashback. So 10x leverage, you can trade it with $300 for free essentially. This is only for the first 400 users. So make sure to sign up right now as soon as possible using the link in the description. That is not the only thing. Also, you get a 50% futures bonus up to 1000 USDT deposit. So if you deposit 1000 USDT, you get a trading bonus of 500 USDT. Absolutely insane bonus here. And additionally, depending on the volumes, you also get up to 100% cashback. So crazy bonuses for a limited time. So make sure to go to the description of this video, sign up to LBank. Also, you have it at the top of the description right here to take advantage of these bonuses. And remember, it is also limited to the first 400 people with some of these bonuses. So take advantage of it as soon as possible. Let us now continue. So in terms of the tariffs, you can see that the US has given a 1-month exemption on autos coming via Canada, essentially. So that is good to see. And also what was communicated is that Trump is open to hearing about additional tariff exemptions. So this was good for the markets. The market reacted positively to this. Of course, a lot of people are afraid of the tariffs right here. So that is very important to take note of. Also, Zelensky says that he expects positive results from cooperation with the US next week. So let us see what is going to come out of this. Maybe the end of the war is coming to a close. So let's hope that that is going to be the case. Also, China, and this is a little bit more of a negative news, China says it is ready for any type of war with the US. If war is what the US wants, be it a tariff war, a trade war, or any other type of war, we are ready to fight till the end. This is what China's embassy said on X, reposting a line from a government statement on Tuesday. So this is pretty aggressive. So let us see how this is going to end up, guys. But the most important thing, of course, is what is going to happen in the next 48 hours. In the White House, a crypto summit, it is expected that there's going to be some kind of strategic reserve being announced. Now, what Lutnick said here is that Bitcoin is going to be treated differently from altcoins in US crypto reserve, says Howard Lutnick. The president definitely thinks that there is a Bitcoin strategic reserve, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick reported told the outlet. Now there will be the question of how do we handle the other cryptocurrencies? And I think the model is going to be announced on Friday when we do that. So this is absolutely massive, guys. So yeah, on Friday, no matter what happens on Friday, we are going to see volatility because a lot of people are now expecting some kind of strategic reserve being announced. So if it is announced, yes, then probably we're still going to pump. If it is not announced, then probably we are going to drop. So we need to be aware of this, guys. It is going to be very, very volatile, but in general, I think it's only a matter of time until the strategic reserve is announced. And depending on how they talk about this on Friday, we will see, guys, but it is going to be big. So yes, moving upwards, big resistance at $95,000. Let us keep our eyes on this, but I am optimistic here for Bitcoin moving forward. Guys, I hope that that was a good update for you. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.